welcome back to my YouTube channel, New Subject. My name is Avnish Singh, and today I came up with another interview question, which generally asked in the interviews by the interviewee, like how to prevent the duplicate contacts based on the email address, right? So, for example, a contact with the same email address is already existing, and we don't want to insert the new contacts. So most of the people say like we can do with the configuration also, like duplicate rules, but yeah, that's another thing, because here in the interviewer is asked you already to write the question, for this question a trigger. He wanted to check like probably how's your code writing skill and what are the best practices you use while writing any trigger. Let's get started. So here I have already written a trigger, which has name as a contact trigger, the contact object. So I wanted to write this trigger in the before insert and before update case. In this case, let's write it here. So maybe contact a for loop, contact each, and then trigger dot new. So whatever the new record is coming will come in the trigger dot new. And then we need a set to hold the all the probably email addresses. So let's say set of string. Here we go. We'll see like if the contact con each dot email is not equals to null. So if it is not equals to null, then only we'll enter the loop. Now let's put this inside this email address to be here. Con each dot email. Maybe we can do one more thing. We can say here like so for example, your contact is coming in a bulk. So there are chances like this trigger dot new can have multiple contacts which have same email addresses, right? So maybe your like contact one have like abc at gmail.com, and then your contact two, which can also have abc at gmail.com, and you are trying to insert both of the contact in a bulk. So maybe that can come in your trigger.new. So in that case, what we can do here is we'll say like dot contains and con each dot email. So if it is containing, then we can say like this is a duplicate contact. Say like duplicate contact. Else we can prevent this. And this can be happen in case of insert and update both scenarios. So maybe we can say here trigger dot is insert, and if it is not null, and else if uh, we can say trigger dot is update, and the same thing if it is not equals to null. It doesn't matter actually if it is a null, and then yeah, putting the value. So trigger dot old map dot get on each dot id dot email if somebody has joined us. And then we'll okay, it's not a good idea to write another condition. It will make a duplicate code, so we'll handle it here only. We'll say like if any one of them is getting true, let's run the code. So here also okay, and Now time to write the check. Cannot be a, okay, sorry, my bad, not equals to. And then time to check like the email addresses which has been added here. What happened now? Oh, sorry, my bad. Error. So the email addresses which has been added here is a part of your existing contacts or not. So that we need to check through the query. So contact on contact list, select ID, comma, email from contact where email in the set, and then maybe we can see like that's why that is empty, it's not equals to here. If it is not, then maybe we have to take all the contacts email address which are already existing. So existing contact email set equals to new set of a string, and then maybe you can say like contact con is equals to contact list dot add con dot email. That's all. And then whatever is coming from your existing trigger, maybe here we'll say like if anything is already existing. So in the existing set contains on each dot email, we'll say like on each dot add error and say duplicate contact. Yeah, I think that's all. Let's just deploy and see if there is any compile time error. We'll fix it. Maybe I can do one more thing because in my last video I got the suggestion not to avoid the not happen the extra circle queries if something is coming as empty. So let's do that, and which is actually a good thing. Maybe change here dot is empty, and let's say like not. So yeah, this is all. Okay, now time to test it. So I already have one contact which is already existing with new SObject and my email address. I will create another one. Say like my name Avnish and swing. My email address will be avnishsftc@gmail.com. See, it is throwing the duplicate contact, but there could be one more scenario. For example, I will make this SFTC as a capital. So in that case, it's the email address, but I don't think so. They will consider, right? Oh, it is considering. So yeah, that's a great. The things are getting matched and it's working. So yeah, yeah, that's all from my end. And if anyone have any questions, please feel free to comment below the video. So thank you very much, and don't forget to like and subscribe this video if you like it. Thank you.